Hello, guys. So this is essentially what sales teams do cope with every day. This is a bunch of sales deals, and as you can see, all of them are not processed. So let's let's take a look at what's here. We have an industry for each deal. We have stage for each deal. We have a territory in terms of where the business is located. We have a size of the deal and some notes here done, for example, on the call, the business representative. So to categorize each of the deal, you need approximately 20-30 minutes per deal. You need to check your as a sales operator. You like a sales operations manager, you need to check the capacity of each of your salesmen. You need to check how which salesman does best with a certain type of deal, and you need to assign a deal basically to a sales operation manager. And that process, it takes time. It takes a lot of time. Also, besides all that, you also need to update all of these fields in the CRM. Um, Let me move myself here, for example. A lot of fields in the CRM. Imagine this is HubSpot, for example. Stage, industry, everything, time to close, urgency, next action. You have to plan what are you doing with the lead. Assigned representative, priority score and priority category, territory, etc. This takes a lot of time. So I built a solution that basically solves this issue. This is an AI powered automation that does all of that automatically. It takes raw deal data here. It takes information about the sales team from here. Again, this is all can be done via APIs from any CRM of your usage. And we see six salesmen here. We see their maximum capacity. We see the current deals they have. We see their specialization. What types of deals do they close best? We see territories and then the name. And basically, what our agent does, it goes over the deals, it goes over the sales team representatives, and it decides which you can see its system message here, and it decides which sales representative needs to be added to which deal. And what it does further, it updates the whole pack of this CRM fields essentially. Let me show you how it works. So we have 15 deals, six representative, and then we start working. It works iteratively, and we can watch how it populates. So you see, it basically updates in real time. It adds the real time evaluation of the deals, adds the assigned representative, and it does so intelligently, meaning it checks the capacity and checks everything that needs to be checked in terms of specialty of a sales representative, of capacity, of location. Everything is checked prior to actually assigning the sales representative. So you can see, for example, reasoning here. Mike Rodriguez has perfect SMB retail fit, but it's overloaded, and demonstration pricing concerns requires direct follow-up. That's why Lisa Park has been added. However, we can see that Rodriguez is mostly in SMB, so he should be the one assigned here, but he's not because he has first of all issues with capacity, and second of all, because of the East territory match and more available capacity than Mike. Mike has 7 ongoing deals, while Lisa has only 3. Um, so you see, all of the 15 deals have been populated, meaning agent just checked every deal against every sales representative and filled out every needed piece of information inside the HubSpot and or any CRM that you guys are working with. Yeah, essentially this is what I wanted to show, and yeah, let's also look at the deal number. Um, oh, let's also look at next actions. Next actions are something that is very important to not lose the deal, to not let it slide out of the sales representative attention span. And for example, we have priority scores, and we see that next action for TechStart Incorporated is urgent. Why is it urgent? Let's check. TechStart Incorporated, urgent need. They have urgent need and competitive evaluation in progress. So these guys need our services fast. And AI agent knows it. That's why it marks this deal as urgent. Let's check if it's done it for, yeah, it's done it for Payflow FinTech. Let's say, and it's done it because they are making a decision by the end of the month, and they are already comparing us with versus 2 competitors, and we need to act promptly. That's why this deal is also urgent. So essentially, first of all, we saved an immense amount of time for the sales operations manager to fill all of this out. We have smart decision making, we have reasoning over each deal that helps sales representatives to take those deals that they're best at with the and only at the time that they have the capacity. In the end, this automation creates, out of messy raw deals, we receive a fully classified, prioritized, assigned pipeline, which has been automatically populated inside your own CRM, and your sales reps can focus on actually selling instead of just filling out the forms. Thank you.